Stair treads are almost never square, which makes fitting flooring difficult. Until now. The MARSHALLTOWN Stair Step Scribe creates a perfect fit every time. Just simply lay the Stair Step Scribe on the top stair tread and get the perfect length and angle at each end. To measure a stair tread, loosen the knobs and place the Stair Step Scribe on the tread. Adjust the scribe edges out to fit against both sides, pressing the pointed end of the scribe into the corner of the stair. Tighten the knobs on the scribe edge at one end, then tighten the knob on the scribe edge at the other end. Now, tighten the knob on the center section. Now you have the exact length and angle at each end, a perfect pattern. Before you transfer the pattern, it's a good idea to lock the flooring together. Now you can transfer the pattern from the stair scribe to the flooring. Carefully align the pointed end of the scribe edges with the edge of the flooring. Mark the cut line using the scribe edges as a guide. The best way to cut flooring is to use a flooring shear. The light on the shear makes it easy to align the marked lines with the blade. If possible, keep the flooring pieces interlocked while cutting. The shears provide a straight, smooth cut. Test fit the flooring in place on the stair tread. The angle and length are a perfect match. The MARSHALLTOWN Stair Step Scribe extends from 28.5 inches to 48 inches wide. It comes with an easy-to-adjust lock knob to secure the center section in place. The scribe edges also have lock knobs, along with beveled ends, which make alignment easier with the back edge between the step and the riser. The Stair Step Scribe is built with durable, non-marking plastic, and it's made in the USA with global materials. Get accurate, tight-fitting stair treads on your next flooring installation with the MARSHALLTOWN Stair Step Scribe.